Hey guys, it's me, I'm Fazli here. Welcome back to another YouTube video from my YouTube channel. Now intro rolling. It's 12:14 AM right now. Aduh, my eye. Battery dah habis. Okay, I like to charge it first. Please function. Be right that you will stay there. Stay there. I need to. It's recording today. Oh my god, I've been talking for like 5 minutes and tiba-tiba my camera off and I wasn't recording. I'm gonna do a makeup look tutorial. This is not like a dia memang otak I bila macam 12 AM and above, my brain is like tak berfungsi, dia tak function macam tu. Sorry kalau I macam lembab sikit, kalau I just slow sikit, kalau macam lagging sikit. And I have to sleep early actually because tomorrow I am gonna go for shopping. Tapi I tak tidur-tidur sebab I nak buat video ni. I am going to be straightforward, okay? I'm going to do and show you guys how I kind of do my Raya makeup look, because my makeup look all these years has changed a lot. Like literally a lot. Terlalu a lot. Just my face changed, my makeup changed, how I do my makeup technique changed. Sorry korang, you guys are not gonna happy to hear this, but I am not gonna be vlogging for Raya 2024 this year. This will do, okay? Before I do my makeup, prepping the skin properly is so important. For the makeup, for your skin too, so it won't crack, it won't crease. Pagi raya kita, we want everything to look perfect. Makeup pun tak crack, makeup look glowing, flawless, gorgeous, slay. Oh, pop it, you know. Moisturizer, simple, please. I've been literally promoting your product since like 2019 and you haven't hit me up to collab yet.
What is this behavior?
Just gonna put it that kita akan sabun. Make sure that you prep your skin before anything. Sangatlah penting. The most important part is okay. I think loading kan cakap 1 AM, 12 AM and above I cannot function properly. Contact lens. So if you guys didn't know, dulu I takut gila pakai contact lens, but now I just can't live without it. Like, it's so important. Bede. I think I'm good like there's new already. So emotional. Ramadan habis dah. I think I'm wearing like an aspired contact lens. Anyways, okay, this part does not hurt. This part hurt a bit. But after I actually like put the contact lens, I love to put eye drop like extra water so it will hydrate, so that macam dry sangat. This is the part where you put the primer. Hand will be like full of primer, and if I want to put the contact lens, dia macam bede. Mary Kay primer. It's a very good primer and it's Mary Kay, y'all. Don't miss primer, okay? Don't miss primer. Dulu I use primer and like macam it's so useless, blah blah blah. And I don't know why my makeup this past few years back then looked so bad. I was so confident with my makeup dulu. Right now I understand why putting primer before you put your makeup on, foundation, blah 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 is so important, because it will stick. Your makeup will stick just like that. You know, faham tak? It won't macam melt ke apa ke. It will just stay. So and then I'm gonna put a bit of loose powder. I sapu sikit. You can use like any loose powder. People use setting powder, but I don't have setting powder, so we will use what we have. If you guys realize that like at the end of this video I don't really do my eyebrow, I don't do anything to my eyebrow. My eyebrows macam I rasa dah cantik. I don't need a change. Makeup setting spray, I use this YOU, the best setting spray ever. I swear to god, I have like literally 4 of it already, 4 stocks of a YOU setting spray. So you just let it wet like this. So right now I feel like this is over the top. I mean, like, this is my go-to foundation again. This tree. This is my Ace in the code Snow. This is Warda in the shade 01. Literally on top. A lot of people say literally, oh my god, Irene, your makeup is so glowing. This is perfect work. It's Alpha. A lot of people say that is good. It's local makeup products, but I don't really like my Ace because my Ace is just super thick and so hard to blend, and I got annoyed a lot with this a bit. But it's good. It's good. Okay, it is good. It's just, I'm gonna mix it with a bit of Warda here a bit. I learned this tip from TikTok. Put the foundation and circle it out there. Circle it out. And spread it so it won't crease at the end of your makeup. Nampak macam tu? Sabar. Sabar lah, sabar. Don't swipe, okay? It will like ruin everything. So just dab slowly. Kita kena betul nak, kita kena treat it like a baby. My god, the blending is tasting my patience so bad. I swear to god. Saya ni seorang yang tidak sangat penyabar. Blending is done. Nampak smooth tak? Smooth kan? Glowing gila. Contour stick. You know, my face is very long. Macam super long face. So what I do is just I put this contour right there. Situ. Situ. Here a bit. So my face shot a bit shorter, I guess. This is how I blend. I don't know how to blend contour. Please teach me how to blend contour, guys. Like anyone. I don't kata macam dia swipe gitu. But I don't kata macam dab. I honestly like don't know how to feel about this year's Raya. Yang penting I nak makan ketupat, I nak makan a lot. And you know, like contour kan, I don't really use the eyeshadow that much. So I just like kind of take the contour and blend it as eyeshadow too. Even though I've used the contour stick just now, I'm just gonna add on with this my very old palette. But I am loyal with this, like how I'm loyal to my future husband one day. I must say loyal with this palette. So this is gonna be this contour, and then I'm just gonna take this, but balik the contour, so it will like kind of give the sharpen a bit more. Oh my god, BG. Sometimes for the blusher I use two blusher. I use this Warda, the code 01 Sand Coral, and then this is the Dream Pot Beauty brush and blend. I always push a bit of the blusher dekat hujung my eye, the edge of my eye. Just kind of do a C right there, like C. So right now it is time for the eyeshadow palette by Full Color. Honey right here, all over my eyelid. Kat bawah sikit. This palette, just like a brownish palette I got from TikToks. Just gonna put it in the middle of the eyelid. Okay, so I always like mix with like different palette actually. I'm just gonna use this palette, the same palette. Oh, look at that, it's very nice. Oh my god, I love the color. Now we're gonna put this goddamn highlighter by Full Color. I'm gonna put it dekat tepat biji mata macam tu. My goddamn highlight, eyelid. Benda aku cakap ni. And then we're gonna take like the white highlighter. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, oh my god, guys, look. Sabar je. letak kat bawah mata, but don't be crazy with it too much, okay? Just like half a bit. We're almost done. So we're gonna curl the eyelash because this is Raya makeup look. We're gonna be using the fake lashes, okay? So slow, okay? This is the Rohina mascara support locker. Ni kena elok-elok, okay? I have to shut up. Curl them lashes. The favorite part, I'm gonna use the fake lashes by Dara Look. Go check them out. There's 2 of them. Draw like eyeliner on your eyelid like normal. Highlighter, I usually just like kind of mix. Then I'm gonna put it on my nose. Before I put the lipstick, lip scrub, lip moist, lip balm, I don't know what it's called already, but this is it. It's like a lip cream and it will help my lips to be moist and macam tak crack lah. It's by Amina. Lip Glowing by Sobella in the code Inaya. The code Peachy. Sabar, nasib baik I ingat. The last part, we're gonna be using this lip shine by Mais. I bought it recently, especially for Raya. Ambil kabut mata I terbang weh. Okay guys, so that is basically it for this whole entire Raya makeup look 2024 video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Because of this video, my favorite palette fell down on the floor and it crashed. But this is my official makeup look. My first time wearing the fake lashes, so macam terabur sikit. Lupa juling sekarang ni. Juling weh. Juling sekarang ni. Selamat Hari Raya, Aidilfitri maaf zahir batin to all of my Muslim subscribers, Muslim followers, or Muslim that's watching my videos. Selamat Hari Raya, and I hope you guys are having a amazing Raya when you're watching this. I think I'll post this video during Raya. It's like I've always wanted to film this video and show you guys how I do my makeup actually, because I think I've improved so much with my makeup skill. Before, like this few years back then, my makeup skill was, I guarantee you guys, I'll tell you guys, I promise you guys, my makeup will stay the whole entire Raya. I'm not gonna vlog for Raya 2024 this year. I don't know. Should I vlog? I have no idea. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys after Raya. Okay? Bye!